Hi.
Well, in this class, we are continuing the remaining portion of physics second chapter. First of all, we come to the work energy theorem. According to work energy theorem, the increasing kinetic energy is equal to the amount of work done by the force in the direction of moving body. Next, we come to the equation. As we all know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. Work done by the body is equal to force into displacement. From the relation V square is equal to U square minus 2AS. Displacement S is equal to V square minus U square divided by 2A. Substituting the value of F and S in equation 1 and 3. From equation 1 and 3 in equation 2 we get F is equal to 1 by 2 mv square minus 1 by 2 mu square. Next is different forms of kinetic energy, that is a translation kinetic energy, rotational kinetic energy and vibration kinetic energy. Translation kinetic energy. The energy possessed when a body is moving in a straight path is known as translation energy. The kinetic energy possessed when a body is moving in a straight path is known as translation kinetic energy. For example, a car moving in a straight path. Next is rotational kinetic energy. The energy possessed when a body is rotating on an axis is called rotational energy. The kinetic energy of a body when it is rotating on an axis is known as rotational kinetic energy. For example, spinning top. Next is vibrational kinetic energy. The energy possessed when a body is moving to and from motion is known as vibration energy. The kinetic energy possessed when a vibration of body is called vibrating kinetic energy. For example, when we struck a hard rubber pad, it will vibrate or it will move in a to and from motion. Next is the difference between potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy, it is the energy possessed by the changed state or changed substance of state and size. It does not depend on speed of the body. In kinetic energy, it depends on speed of the body and the energy possessed by the state of motion. And in potential energy, it can be changed only to kinetic energy, and kinetic energy it can be changed to any form. And next is the conversion of potential energy. When we struck a bow, it will form a energy in the elastic, and when we used this bow to release an arrow, it will form this energy changed to kinetic energy and began to move, it began to vibrate.
So next is form of energy. We all know that there are different form of energy specific. For example, solar energy, heat energy, light energy, electrical energy, nuclear energy, and go on. So first we come to what is solar energy. The energy radiated out by sun is called solar energy. This energy cannot be used directly into use because this energy is too diffuse. So it is not directly put into use. It is converted by using different instruments like solar panels, solar furnaces and solar cell. So first we come to solar panel. Solar panel consists of black painted metal surface which absorbs sun rays and convert the hot water in its contactor. So next instrument is solar furnaces and solar cell. Each have different function. So next we come to heat energy. The energy possessed on burning fuel like coal, petroleum, oil, etc. So next is light energy. It is a form of energy in the presence of which we can see all other objects. So this energy is known as light energy. Next is heat energy. We all know that heat energy is the energy released during heating coal, petroleum, natural gas is known as heat energy. So next is nuclear energy. Nuclear energy, the energy released due to loss in mass during the process of nuclear fission and fusion is called nuclear energy. From there is the equation is given, that is E is equal to mc square. Electric energy. When two dry bodies are wrapped together, they get charged due to the movement of free electron from one body to the other is known as electrical energy. So next is hydro energy. The energy possessed due to the wave in the ocean or from the wave that is present in the sea or in the dam is known as hydro energy. So next is geothermal energy. The energy released in nuclear disintegration in the interior of the earth gets so deep inside the earth is known as geothermal energy. So the next is mechanical energy. So when we come to mechanical energy, the energy possessed by a body due to the state of rest or motion is called the mechanical energy. So the next is magnetic energy. The magnetic energy is a one which contains magnet, so the presence of it can attract the iron filings is known as magnetic energy. So the sound energy is vibration of a body possesses sound energy. So it can be identified by the sensation of our ears. So the last energy is chemical energy. The energy possessed by a body by fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, natural gas is known as chemical energy. So the remaining portion we study in the next class. Thank you.